Yeah.
That's the dad. That's daddy? Yep, that's the daddy.
Intact bull. He's a fully intact bull.
Yeah, they took the mama in. She's not out anymore. She's right there.
Oh, I thought she was out.
Grandma, you put the food in here. Grandma, you put the food in here. You ripped it. He ate the bag. Grandma, you're supposed to do that. You're supposed to sit like this, Grandma. Grandma, you're supposed to
No, it's fine. Oh, here comes mama.
Spilling your feet.
I know, she's picking up a little corn.
Oh my gosh, Mom!
Did they give up? Alright, we'll get the last piece too.
Yeah, carry him with you.
Hey, did you see it? Hey!
Hey, look, alien.
Oh, look at Papa, bitches.
Okay. Oh, don't drop them. Don't drop them. No, don't drop it,
Ask
baby.
Papa for help.
No, I can't. I'm videoing.
Oh.
Are you getting a pumpkin?
Oh, no, I'm videoing.
This is a big one and it's round. Bonnie has the Oh, I see it. It's that one that's light. It's got like a light right in it.
You guys found some? Everyone got one? Are we ready? All right, look at that line over there, boy. There's a lot of people waiting for a ride back. You got yours, Ella?
Yeah.
All right, that's a good one.
That was funny.
All right, it's 2023. We're prepping for Halloween. We've got a series of pumpkin creations going on here right now. We've got a lot of sharp utensils being utilized. Got Brandy and her little baby pumpkin going on.
This is Ella's.
Oh, that was okay. And we got